Meaning of jelly baby.
Jelly baby.
Jelly baby.
Jelly baby.
Jelly baby. Jelly babies is a type of soft candy that is popular in the United Kingdom and other Commonwealth countries. The candy is shaped like a small baby, hence the name, and is made of fruit-flavored gelatin. In popular culture, jelly baby has also become a term used to refer to the aliens known as the Doctor Who universe's most famous enemies, the Daleks. When the fourth Doctor, portrayed by Tom Baker, first encountered the Daleks, he referred to them as jelly babies, before offering them some of the candy from his pocket.